test natin tong ENC 204 G28. Shoutout kay Boss IE. So nung nakaraan pa tayo nag-test ng mga ganitong model ng unit. So available in black at saka BE or dark earth. So ito yung stock niya. So with markings and ayun, full metal yung unit. So out of the box kasama niya battery charger and then ito yung magazine. So ayun, test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS and then out natin today. Semi-auto, full auto. So price is 16,600. Kung may mga questions kayo regarding this unit, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Hobby Shop.